On this channel, we're going to cover every single ETF until we find the best one possible. Today I'm covering a good one. It's called the Rex Shares ULTI ETF, the Rex Income Max Option Strategy ETF. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Wes, and for the last 3 years, I've been researching ways to make passive income in both the stock market and in cryptocurrency, and want to bring the results to you, whether good or bad, through this channel. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe and please like this video. That's all I ask from you. Have a great day. This ETF just launched in late October of 2025 by Rex Shares. This ETF is designed for investors looking to generate consistent income by actively managing market volatility. Let's explore what makes ULTI unique and how it works. First of all, ULTI is an actively managed option strategy ETF that targets some of the most volatile US stocks. Its goal is to turn this volatility into weekly income for shareholders. Unlike traditional income ETFs that rely heavily on dividends, ULTI uses option positions on a portfolio of typically 20 to 30 volatile stocks to capture premium income. The fund employs a dynamic mix of put and call options, which are actively managed based on market conditions. When volatility and market direction shift, ULTI adjusts its option exposures accordingly to seek steady income while aiming to protect against extreme downside moves. This risk management makes it more sophisticated than a passive covered call fund. Because ULTI monetizes volatility, it intends to provide enhanced weekly income potential. The distributions currently are mostly classified as return of capital, and the fund's distribution rate is calculated based on recent option income generated. It's important to note distributions are not guaranteed and can vary with market conditions. Okay, what does ULTI actually hold? Well, a lot of cash, 77.39%. Nebius, Upstart, Sunrun, a few that I am potentially investing in, which I think are good. Some of the other ones I'm not too sure of. Okay, a lot of other influencers probably wouldn't look this deep. I downloaded their entire portfolio of what they're doing, and a lot of these calls or puts are underwater. They have a lot of holdings in certain aspects of the market, which are pretty good, like Rocket Labs, I think is going to be okay. Lemonade, I'm not too sure of, but if you look deeper, these are the call options, and they're expiring on these certain days. They're doing short-term call options, and they're small amounts of money. So this is what is supposed to generate the income for your ETF. The thing that bothers me is when you go down here and you see the big negative numbers. An Upstart 38,000 negative number when it's about to expire in 4 days. That's what bothers me, is because, like, if I wanted to just trade put options, which I do, I would have bigger companies like Nvidia, which I use other companies that I love. Okay, negatives so far that I can see are that they have a high expense ratio. We'll look into that in the next few weeks. The positives, I think this is a different type of ETF. Okay, let's look at the charts for ULTI like we do always on this channel. The chart looks pretty good. It's in an uptrend from the lows around $23.55. I was trying to compare this to other to the NASDAQ and SPY. What I was able to do is I was able to compare it to TDAC. It's another ETF that I cover on this channel that's very, very steady, but it has a lower dividend or distribution percentage. And it's pretty much there now. So I think this fund will be more volatile than TDAC, but I think it's a possibility for my portfolio going into the future. If you like this one, leave me a comment, or if you like other ETFs that you want me to cover in the future, please leave those in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.